Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how I cut this beautiful wrap dress. In the next tutorial I'll show you how to sew. I folded my paper into two and then I draw a start line. I'm taking my vertical measurement from shoulder to bust and to waist plus joining allowance. Shoulder measurement divide by 2. Armhole circumference divide by 2. I'm drawing my chest line. 1 inch shoulder slope, and then I'm taking the neck width, which is 3 inches, and the back neck depth, which is 1 inch. So I'm just connecting my shoulder slope to my neckline, and then finding my midpoint and draw a curve, and then went 0.3 inch, and then draw a front armhole. My bust circumference measurement divide by 4. I'm adding 1 inch sewing allowance, and then I took my waist measurement divide by 4, and then I added 2 inch sewing allowance plus 1 inch that allowance, so it's 2 inch. So for the dart, I'm taking my nipple to nipple measurement divide by 2. And then I connect to the bust line. So, and took 1 inch below the bust line. That is where I will connect my darts. So I take 1/2 inch for both sides and connect to that 1 inch mark below the bust line. So I'm gonna trace all the measurement to the back, so I'm using a plain paper to trace. I'm extending my chest line at the back, and then 1 inch below the chest line, that is where I'm going to connect my darts. I'm still using 1/2 inch for both sides. At the back, I'm adding 1 inch at the shoulder line. So because I added 1 inch at the back, I'm minusing 1 inch. So I'm taking off 1 inch at the front shoulder. So this is the back and the front. So the back is gonna overlap to the front. So for the neck, just from the neckline, I'm taking a straight line to go connect with the first leg of the dart. So to cut the skate, I'm going to calculate or to take the measurement of the waist circumference, and then I will divide it by 3.14 because I'm cutting a half circle skirt. So what I'm going to do is just to mark my radius that I got from calculating the waist circumference, divide by 3.14. So in my length, and then this is the